Just imagine, my home is located in a place surrounded by rich nature. And it's not just a home, it's a new source of income. Welcome to my channel. I share information about Akiya, abandoned houses, and condominium investments in Japan. Today, I'll be explaining what is Akiya investment. Akiya, or empty houses, are homes in Japan that are no longer in use. Right now, Japan has over 8 million Akiya, and the numbers are growing. Akiya investment means purchasing these abandoned homes, often at very low prices, and creating value by renting them out, transforming them into unique spaces, or using them as vacation homes. There are several reasons why Akiya investment is appealing. First, many Akiya are available at a fraction of the price of typical properties. Second, Japan's government and local councils often provide subsidies and tax benefits for those willing to restore and use Akiya. And finally, these homes offer flexible options. You could turn an Akiya into a rental, an Airbnb, or even a personal retreat. Of course, Akiya investment has some challenges. Older homes often need repairs, which means you'll need to budget for renovations. Maintenance costs can also be high, and in some areas, demand might be low, which could make it harder to find tenants or buyers. Doing thorough research on the property's condition and understanding the local demand is crucial. To get started with Akiya investment, first look for properties through local Akiya banks or real estate websites. Then, calculate not only the purchase price, but also any renovation and maintenance costs. Decide on a clear plan for how you'll use the property, whether as a rental, a personal retreat, or another purpose. It's helpful to work with a local real estate agent or partner who understands the area and the market. Akiya investment is a unique way to enter Japan's real estate market. With the right planning and support, you can transform these empty homes into valuable assets. Consider exploring the possibilities of Akiya investment in Japan. If you'd like to learn more about Akiya investment, be sure to check out my other videos. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn more about, and I'll make a video on it. Don't forget to leave a comment.